What up, best friends? Welcome back to my sister. So Afsisters, I think that's how you pronounce this company. I've worked with them before, but the pronunciation is kind of like But anyway, they sent me this wig right here. This is a lace front wig. I think this is a deep wave texture. I will definitely have the texture down below in the description box, but this wig is bomb. Okay, so this is the packaging that it comes in. They send you different lace so you can see what kind of lace they carry, and so you can educate yourself on the type of lace. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. They give you a thick elastic band. It has combs, adjustable straps, and it comes with the fake scalp. Okay, in this video you will be seeing me move this fake scalp because I particularly do not like it. I just don't like the mark of demarcation in the front, as you can see where the lace is, and then the material of the fake scalp starts. And then here is the hairline. So I did go in and pluck the hairline. So I'm showing you that there is a clear thread that's holding this fake scalp down, and all I'm going to do is take some of my tweezers. You're going to need two items, your razor and your tweezers, and you're going to get the tweezers so you can pick up a piece of the clear thread, and then you want to take your razor and you just want to cut it off. Be very careful that you do not cut the lace, because this lace is super soft and bomb that you could easily rip it and everything like that. So I turn the wig inside out and I stretch the lace like I would normally do if I was customizing it the normal way. And I'm just gently pulling the fake scalp up so I can see the clear lace, and then I could cut it off. It is really easy to remove. You don't have to do this step, but I like to do it because I don't like that line of demarcation that would be in the front. And this part is not sped up, so this is me in real time taking it off. It is super easy to take this off. I use my fingers, I stretch it a little bit, I cut it off, and it usually just slides right on off. So you can tell that they did bleach the knots on this, but it wasn't bleached to my liking. So I went ahead and I went and re-bleached it so I can make sure that everything was bleached how I like it. So I'm going to use quick blue, and I am using 40 Val. That's because that's all I have. And yes, so you can kind of see the knots. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the front of the hairline was really like knot free, because of the fact that I wanted to have this slay, like really bomb. So you're going to need your bowl, your tinting bowl, and your tinting brush, and you're going to take 1 scoop of developer and 1 scoop of bleach, mix it all together, and then apply it onto your wig. So you might hear a lot of people be like, okay, when you apply your bleach onto your lace, you want to be light-handed when you do this. And that's all fine and everything like that. But sometimes it really doesn't penetrate the knots how you want them. And like sometimes I'll push the bleach through to like coat the actual knot. And sometimes I'll lightly do it. And that just depends on my preference or like my customer preference if I'm making wigs for somebody. So like if you want your wig to last a long time, I will say do not bleach your knots all the way to 613. That will definitely cause a lot of shedding, because you know that the hair strands are tied onto the lace. That's how you make a lace front or a closure or any hair replacement item. So when you actually bleach those knots are keeping the hairs in place on the frontal. So when you bleach knots, you are weakening that hair, that knot that's on the lace, right? So it's easy for it to overprocess. It's easy for it to break. It's easy for it to shed. So in order to maintain it and to keep it for a long time, to keep its longevity, you want to monitor how you're bleaching and how long you're bleaching, and like like if you're pushing the lace, the bleach all the way through, so you could coat the entire knot, or if you want to coat the knot a little bit so it could like disappear a tad where people don't see it, or do you want to disappear it altogether? So like you definitely have to, you know, really know exactly what you're doing. Also, somebody on here asked me on one of my videos, is bleaching necessary? And no, it's not. It's a preference. You could decide if you want to bleach or not. Like, that's up to you. If you're not comfortable, then by all means, I don't think you should bleach, because you could definitely, you know, ruin an expensive wig. But like, if you know what you're doing, then go ahead, girl. But some people, sometimes I bleach, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll just use makeup in order to cover the knots. And sometimes I'd rather just have a more realistic look to my wig. And you know, bleaching makes a big difference, you guys. So anyway, let's stop talking about that. Let's move on to this install. I am using Boho Lemon Burst to apply my wig. I cleaned my hairline with 91% alcohol, and I use their Skin Protect to protect my hairline, well, to protect my skin from irritation. But the Boho Lemon Burst does exactly that. It's antibacterial, and it smells so good. So it'll help you know, make your longevity of your wear last longer, because you're gonna see me in this video. I did come back and show you guys what my wig looks like 5 days later, because I actually still have my wig on, and I feel like I do want to film a video of me taking it off so you guys can see how I actually do that and how I protect my actual hairline. But I'm using Boho Lemon Burst, the Skin Protect, and the actual glue. I use 3 layers of the glue. I only showed you 1 layer on here, and I apply my glue with my my brushes. I have them linked down below in the description box for you guys, because you guys been asking me for that. Once I pull the lace down and push the lace into the glue, I'm going to cut off the lace and just make my hairline look nice, you feel me? And so that's basically what I'm doing. You guys see me do this all the time. So again, this wig came from Afsister's hair. This is a very thick wig. Like, this will look bomb in 30 inches, and the lace is just like butter, because as you see at the end of the clip where I have a white shirt on, my lace is like nice, okay? And then like when you see me with the green, again, that's 5 days later. So you know, it's where it's at this point my wig is worn. Like I've been wearing it for a while, so it is kind of, you know, maybe lifting in some areas, but that's normal. That's to be expected when it comes to wearing lace fronts and using glue and things like that. But yeah, so to help conceal the lace, because it is lighter than my skin tone, I am using my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. That's the closest, the lighter shade in the shade 16, because there's 2 colors that comes in there, and I like to use the lighter shade because it matches my skin tone perfectly. And I like to use my spritz to lay down my baby hair. But I've been liking using the Eben hair lace spray to lay my baby hairs. Like, that's been bomb. Yes. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you are not subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe and like my video so I can make some more for you guys. And the next video after this video for this particular hair is going to be how I remove and like actually take care of my wig so I can reinstall them, because I don't have a video like that on here at all. And I think that's a good video so I can show you guys how I take care of my natural hair, how I take care of my wigs, how I make sure my wigs are very conditioned, and so they have a longer longevity. And so yeah, it'll look nice. So after I installed that wig, I've literally had my wig on for about 4 days. So I needed to finish this video for you guys. So here I am. All right. Now, I use the Bold Hold Lemon Burst, and she's holding up really good. You feel me? Like, she looks super good. And I've been using my Eben Wonder Bond lace
adhesive instead of my got2b to like spray my hairline down at night to do my baby hairs and things like that. And this has been working. I'm definitely gonna go get the big bottle of this because I'm not using got2b for this, especially when you have a product that's specifically made for lace. You feel me? So this is bomb. All right.
So I was going out to like Taco Tuesday here, and so I needed to make my hair look bomb, laid like it was on the first day. So I was just doing a little bit of touch up work, making my hair flat at the top. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Everything that I use will be in the description box for you guys, okay? And until next time, bye best friends. Do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Bye you guys.